Remove all parts from the box. Open the main frame and insert the bucket holder hook into the main frame bracket. Hook the other end of the bucket holder into the support bar bracket, ensuring it is positioned on the lower side. Insert the support bar into the main frame by pressing the push pin, securing it in place. Insert the backrest into the designated slots on the main frame. Insert the legs into the main frame securely. Place the bucket onto the bucket holder and press the base down. Place the seat. Align the seat brackets with the main frame, ensuring both brackets are properly positioned. Then push down firmly to lock the seat in place. Adjust the seat position front to back, or vice versa rotate the seat to the desired direction and follow step 8 to secure it in place. Congratulations! Your installation is complete. Additional cautions. Inspect all parts before assembly. If any damage is found, do not reseat the product. Contact your dealer for assistance. Ensure an audible click is heard when the safety push pin engages. Verify that the height adjustable push pins are fully inserted into the correct holes. Regularly check your padded folding Commode chair for corrosion, breakage, compression, or wear.